Hey everyone, quick question. When was the last time you really knew what your electrical system was up to? If your answer is somewhere between never and wait, what's an amp and a watt? Then don't worry. Today I'm going to show you why the clamp-on amp meter, especially like this one from Klein's Tools, is a must-have for everybody's home toolkit. And no, you don't need to be an electrical wizard, although it is kind of magical how much you can tell with this tool. Now before we actually dive in, let me hit you with a shocking truth. Electricity doesn't just flow, but it can fail. And when it does, you better be ready to diagnose it. That's where this little guy right here comes in handy. So why should you, as the everyday homeowner, have a clamp meter on hand? Whether you're troubleshooting outlets, checking your HVAC, or making sure a circuit isn't overloaded, it gives you instant live info without cutting a single wire. It is the only clamp in my garage that doesn't complain about getting squeezed. My wife didn't laugh at that joke either. First, it is to monitor circuit loads. Have you ever tripped a breaker and had no clue what caused it? A clamp meter lets you clamp around a hot wire and instantly see how many amps are running through it. For example, this reads up to 400 amps and reads AC and DC. It is great for seeing if a circuit is nearing overload. Next is to troubleshoot appliances. If your fridge is running hotter than usual, is your AC acting up? Clamp on and compare current draw to the manufacturer's specs. If it is drawing too much or too little power, something's up. You can also use this to catch phantom loads. Have you ever wondered why your electrical bill can be so high sometimes? Some devices sip power all day even if they're off. A clamp meter helps you hunt down those energy vampires, as well as use it to find out which devices are worth unplugging or even upgrading. If you want to pick up a clamp meter like the Klein one that I'm using today, I'll drop a couple links in the description below, including a budget-friendly version and a pro version. Check those out if you're looking to purchase one. It's the best way to support the channel. This is a great way to verify your own DIY electrical work. If you've just installed a new outlet or wired up a sub panel, this lets you double check your work before flipping that breaker for good. It is a confidence booster and a safety tool. Meters like this one can actually act as a non-contact voltage tester so that you can make sure the power is shut off before starting any of your electrical work. These are a great way to ensure that you have safe, contact-free measurements. With a clamp meter, you're not sticking probes into a live panel, you're clamping around the hot wire. Not exposed to metal, no sparks, just safe, clean data. So whether you're a weekend DIY warrior or just trying to make sure your AC doesn't fry your panel this summer, a clamp-on meter is a great and smart investment. And Klein Tools, they've been making reliable gear for over 160 years. They really know their stuff, and a lot of electricians actually use these. So hit that like button if you learned something today, subscribe if you love practical homeowner tools, and don't forget to check the descriptions for the product links. Stay safe, save some cash by doing some work yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.